If you're a business owner or in an executive position, you're going to want to keep watching this video. Ask yourself this question: what are you willing to accept? What are you willing to accept within your team? What are you willing to accept within your culture? What are you willing to accept within your process, your delivery of service, your delivery of products? Most importantly, what are you willing to accept within yourself? And I think it's such an important question because in the culture that we're in, everyone is willing to accept mediocre. And I think we have to, as business owners, as executives, as leaders, strive for more. And that's one of the things I constantly push, and sometimes maybe even push too hard within my agency, is pushing to excel, pushing past just being mediocre, pushing to be the best at what we do, and constantly pushing to improve. Because me personally, I'm no longer willing to accept just half-ass. I'm no longer willing to accept mediocre effort. And it's a lesson I've had to learn the hard way over many years. So ask yourself that question within your team: what are you willing to accept? For more marketing tips and for more growth tips, be sure to like and follow me, and let's grow.